Hello guys, my name is Tarun. I am from a team called Two Direction. We are a team of four people. My friends Pawan, Hitesh, Siddharth, and me. We are a team, and we developed a website called Infinity POS, and it's a website which helps the businesses to manage their inventory and make sales using our point of sale. And I am here to show the demo of how our website works. And uh, this is the welcome page. Whenever a user visits our website, this is how it's going to look, and it shows all the features that we are promised and we have implemented. And in order to access our application, you are supposed to have an account with us, and in order to do that you should register. And before you register, you are supposed to take a plan, and these plans are totally on based on the choice of the user. So once we select a plan, we are supposed to fill all these details, and once the details are filled, a account will be generated automatically. I already have an account, and I'll show you the demonstration with that account. And before we do that, we do have a chatbot in our website, and this is the chatbot, and it helps us if a user is stuck with a problem. It helps the user with his problem. But suppose I am stuck and I don't know how to log in. If I ask how to log in, it here it helps me to log in. It says to access the login page, click on the login button. So yeah, and once we go there, we can log in. And like I said, I do have an account. And this is how the dashboard looks. And this is an owner account. Like just now we are registered and we got an owner account with us. So for a owner, everything is accessed, and he do have a section called employees section. This is where he can create employees for his business. We can create three kinds of employees: a cashier, a stocker, and a manager. A cashier is a person who can make sales, so he has restricted access to some. So an employee can have a restricted access, not the entire access to our application. So we will see that later in the video. And this is the employees page and this is accessed only by the owners. And he can create a no employee or delete an employee. For suppose let's delete the Simon. Look, the Simon is deleted. He is not deleted permanently. If someone if the owner needs him to be restored, he can restore him easily. So yeah, let's go back to the dashboard. This is our dashboard. For suppose let's go to if the owner want to view the inventory, he can do that. This is the inventory page where the owner can put add new items to the inventory. And this is where he can view what his inventory has and what is not in his inventory. And he can check his inventory as well. Look, this is how the inventory can be checked, and he can scan his barcode and check the inventory as well. This is how the barcode looks. And let's go to the point of sale. This is where uh, a cashier or the owner or the manager can make sales. And here the items can be scanned or typed manually. And once an item is entered, we can alter the quantity. If not needed, we can delete them. We can add them again as well. And once all the items are checked in, we can confirm the sale. And if the user needs a receipt, we can download the receipt as well. And let's see what the transactions are. So these are the transactions that were done in this business earlier. So if the owner or some other person who wants to view what are the past sales, he can do that. At what time what sale happened, everything can be monitored and checked. And if they want to view what items were sold and that in that particular transaction, he can do that too. This is what happened in that particular transaction. So transactions are used in this way. And let's go to the reports. Reports is the interesting part of our website. And where we have a predict future inventory. It's a new thing that we have developed, and let's see what it does. And yeah, this is the magic. So here what we do here is that we'll see what happened in the past 90 days, what sales were done, and with that data we'll predict what might be the next month's sale, and we'll compare that sale with the stock that we have, and we will suggest any orders if needed. For suppose, here in the chicken breast pack we have 97 in stock, and we have a predicted demand of 24 for the next month. So as the stock is already with us, we don't need any further order, so we are not suggesting any order to the user. So that's how it works, and this is pretty much new in the market as far as we know. And let's go back to the report page again. So here the reports can be seen. It can be seen of monthly, yearly, or 5 days, 1 day, whatever we can do. And yeah, here we can we can see what are the top items by the sales, and what are the top item details that were sold in the quantity, and such a way. And so this is what our website is. And let me show you the role based access that we have implemented. Like we said, we have different kinds of account. So since this is an owner account, we have access to everything. Let's see what a stalker can do. Okay. So like we see here, Guan is a stalker, so he do have an access to the inventory. So he can add items to the inventory, view what we have in the inventory and stuff like that. But he cannot make a sale. Since he is a stalker, he is not eligible, or he don't have access to make a sale and access to the POS. And let's see how what a cashier would do or can do. Now let's see what a cashier can do. So like we see, so a cashier has only access to the POS and not the inventory. He cannot access to the inventory since he is not a stalker. He can make sales and view all the past transactions that the store has. And let's see what the manager can do. Now let's see what a manager can do. Now if we see here, a manager can make sale, and he can manage the inventory and view the transactions as well. But he or any of the employee doesn't have the access to the reports and the employees as well, since it is only accessible by the admin or the owner. So this is how we have implemented the rollbacks based access, and this is simply what our website does. And thank you and have a great day.